students, let us begin comparing quantities. Exercise 8.3, question number 5. I buy TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at profit of 20%. How much money did I get for it? So you have to find out that what is the profit. I buy TV for. So buy means cost price. Cost price is rupees 10,000. Given things you have to write. Profit percentage they have given. So let us take down profit percentage. How much percentage? 20%. So now how much money did I get for it? So you have to find out that what amount he has got. So profit is equal to we have to find out the profit percentage of cost price. Profit is equal to profit percentage of cost price. So this will help us to solve the problem. Profit amount we have to find out. So profit percentage of cost price. So profit, what is the percentage? 20% means per 100 of what indicates multiplication and 10,000 is the cost price. So you can easily find out the profit. So 0 got cancelled and 20, 2 ones are 2, 000. So you have got that 2,000. What is this 2,000? Rupees 2,000. So rupees 2,000 he got it. How much he got? Rupees 2,000 he got it. Hope you understood how to solve it. This is very important for you to solve here. So you have to keep in the mind to write this as a step. Profit is equal to profit percentage of cost price. Now let us go for the 6th question. Juhi sells a washing machine for sale. Juhi sell washing machine for 13,500. So it is a selling price. Selling price is rupees 13,500 and she lost percentage is how much? 20%. But in the bargain, what was the price and which she brought it? Which amount she has brought it? So we have to find out both the things here. So we have to find out loss is equal to loss of cost price. Loss of cost price. But we don't know here the cost price. We have got that loss is equal to loss percentage of cost price. Then selling price is more here. Selling price is equal to selling price minus to cost price. So we have to find out selling price is equal to selling price minus cost price. Let me find out how we can do this. Now we have got loss is equal to x by 5. Let us take loss is selling price. Now loss we have found that. Now let us take selling price. We know that, or let me apply the value here. Selling price is equal to 13,500 is equal to cost price. We don't know x, then x by 5. If we do it here, then we have to take it as a denominator x, then we will get 4x, then 13,500. Let us simplify with the cross multiplication. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 2, 5 threes are 15 plus 2, 2, then 5 ones are 5. So hope we have 5 ones are, then we have got that 7. 77,500 is equal to 4x. X is equal to, let us divide 77,500. Once you can clarify, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 2 you carried, 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 17 and 5 ones are 5. You have got 67,500 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, then 1, 2 you have carried, 4 6 are 24, then you have got that 3, 4 6 are 24, 4 8s are 32, plus 3 is left out, 4 7s are 28, 4. So 16,875 you have got. 16,875 is the cost price. Hope you got that. Cost price is equal to 16,875. Hope you understood how to do this. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So 13,500 I have taken is equal to cost price is x. So I have written x minus loss. We have got that x by 5. This is taken by the help of the loss here, that is loss percentage. So 4x by 5 you have got that. So 67,500 by I have divided by 4. Here I have done cross multiplication. I multiplied with the 5. We have got 67,500. 67,500 divided by 4. We have got that 16,875. So cost price is 16,875. So they have got what was the price at which she bought it. So she bought it for 16,875. Hope you understood. Thank you.